Engine AI's SE01. Horrible name. Stop it with the name. Let's do the Engine AI. Engine AI SE01. Okay, you ready? I'm ready. You ready? All right, let's go. So this one's similar to the other one they have. Let's check. Let's look at their Ronomics page. Oh, this one has a bunch. I didn't realize how many Engine AI had. So Engine AI has a portfolio of 4 different robots, it looks like. None of which are available. So you can't buy any of them. But they're all... I should review this one. This is a pretty good one. But they seem to all look very similar. But they're all different. This is probably their oldest one. What do you guys think? You think it's good? I think it's pretty good. So, they have an emergency stop button. Good luck hitting that. This thing's attacking you. All you gotta do is press this little button. It's like throwing punches at you. Yo, stop 1 sec. Like, no. You are not going to be able to press that in an emergency. I hate to break it to them. Battery indicator light, power switch. They have an Ethernet port. So you can, like, plug your Wi-Fi into it or something. I don't know. High precision force control sensor. I have no idea what that is, to be honest. I'm guessing it's for the... It's something about high pressure. Or high precision. I'm guessing it's something about high precision, right? Because it's in the name, you know, so. Let's see. Alright, so for design, I'll give it a... I actually really like the design. What do you think? Sorry, can't speak up. I can't hear you. Oh, you think it's a 7.4 for the design? I think so too. So for the design, it'll be a 7.4. You said it, not me. For use cases, I mean, it seemed pretty capable. I'll give it a 6.8 out of 10 for use cases. Just because we haven't seen it do anything with its hands yet. So I'll have to move it down a little bit for that. But other than that, it seems pretty capable. For security, Engine AI seems like a reputable company, but it is located in China. So good to keep in mind. If you want a massive robot in your house or workplace from China, then you do you. No one's going to stop you. maybe the U.S. government, but I mean, if you wanted to, you probably could. So I'll give them a 10 out of 10 just because I haven't seen any issues, but I would not be surprised if you had this in your home and it was sending data to China because it's from China. It's pretty self-explanatory. It's not bad. It's just expected. If you bought one from wherever they're probably going to be keeping data. So you just always have to keep that in mind. They're not doing anything wrong. It's on you if you bought one from China and then expected it not to send data to China. You know what I'm saying? So overall, the SE01, rough name, but not a bad product. I'd give it a 6.7 out of 10. And that's a proud 6.7. They should be proud of that. Because they've been putting out, this isn't their only product. They've been putting out a ton of high quality ones. So it doesn't seem that they've perfected, or they probably have. I haven't reviewed their latest one. It's probably really good, I expect, because this is a good company. But since they're making so many, they don't have as much time to put effort into one. So it's going to be harder to compete with the other ones that are only making one that's extremely high quality. But they're pushing them out and they're doing good work. So I think they should be proud of that score based on how many different robots they've already made.